Good morning. We're doing skill 3, page 3 of your notes packet. We're finding the product of a couple expressions. The first one is finding the product of two fractions. Okay, so step 1 for this is to determine the sign of the product so that we don't forget it. We'll get automatic points just for showing that we know this is a positive number and this is a negative number. And we know that the same as a negative is a negative. So we've already determined that our answer will be negative. So that's step 1. Step 2, we need to simplify the fractions if possible. So we're looking for the greatest common factor. 3 and 9 both have a factor of 3, meaning we can divide both of these numbers by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. We also have 4 and 8. They share a common factor of 4. I can cancel out this 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now we see that the negatives here, I'm going to keep this negative with my numerator. So this is going to be a negative 2. Step 3, we're going to want to rewrite this because we've kind of made it messy and we want to multiply straight across. So we rewrite 1 over 1 multiplied by negative 2 over 3. 1 times negative 2 is a negative 2, right? The same as a negative is a negative. 1 times 3 is 3. And now it's step 4. We want to make sure, does our answer actually have the correct sign? I remembered that this negative goes with it, which is excellent, and it's true. My sign is negative, my answer, my product is negative. So I'm going to rewrite it down here knowing I have the right answer, and I can circle it, okay? Let's look over here. We have another product problem. We have negative 7.03 times negative 6.2. So we're dealing with decimals. But again, we can start really easily by determining the sign and getting 3 points. So we have here a negative times a negative. The opposite of a negative is a positive. Okay, so we know that at the end we want our answer to be positive. Write vertically and multiply. Okay, so we're going to set this up 7.03 times 6.2. All we have to do is actually do the multiplication, so we'll do that now. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. When you come over here, make sure you carry down your 0. 6 times 3 is 8. We'll carry the 1. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 1. 6 times 7 is 42. Remember, you should have wrote this really neat. The neater you guys can be in math, the better you're going to do, because we want to add this real easily. 6, 8, 5, 3, 4. Step 3 is move the decimal point. We need to find out how many decimal points are behind, how many places are behind the decimal point. We got 1 and 2 and 3. So we'll take it from right here and we'll go 1, 2, 3. And we can see that it goes right here. Our final step, write the answer with the correct sign. So we're going to rewrite this so it's neat, 43.586. Go back up and check. We wanted a positive sign. We have a positive. Circle your final answer. Thank you guys.